Good morning, students. Hello, Standard 5. Today we are going to learn Chapter 1, A Cat's Tale, Part 1. Do you have a pet at home? Do you like to keep a pet? Do you think dogs makes better pets or a cat? How are they different? Look at on my shoulder. There is a cat. There is a parrot. Very lovely. Is standing on my shoulder. Do you have a pet like that? Many people keep pet as a dog, cat, parrot. Some people keep also some wild animal also as a pet in the cage. Some keep myna. So, do you have? Yes? Yeah, many of you have got this pet. Now, look at here. Sprihasa has got a beautiful cat and she has come with her cat here. This is the cat. His name is Tim. And Tim is asking why people call me Tim, not Tom. People want to call me Tom, but I am Tim. I am a Tim. My name is Tim. So, let us see today's lesson. Here in our book is showing the first. There are different pictures here and you have to match with the words. So first one is says canine, that is a dog. Equine, that is a horse. Aqua, that is waterfall here. And fourth one is solar. Solar, that is the moon here. And fifth one is, solar plate is here. And fifth one is moon. And sixth one is library. Can you see this? Yes. Children, do you like the pet? Here are so many pets the people are keeping. And the same we have in our house. Some of you have no place to keep. Some of you cannot get. It's biting my leg. See, look at this cat. It's so beautiful to see. And it's a beautiful cat. And here is saying that, hello Tim. I am Tim. I am a cat. Everybody thinks it's odd that my name is Tim, not Tom. What's your name? You look like a human. So cat is asking you, what's your name? You look like a human. I hope you are not a mean one. Some of them are very cruel. So cat is telling, I hope you are not so mean. Because some human are very mean, especially the naughty boys. They throw a stone, they hit the cat and the pet animal, dogs, whatever see on the street, they hit. So he is telling, I hope you are not mean. Because there are many children and people very, very cruel. They don't like to keep anything. Here is asking, animal cannot speak like you and I. But what they could? What if they could express their feelings and tell us how they felt? You do know that they have feelings just like we do. They feel pain and sadness and happiness and tiredness, surprised. Listen now what the story of the team is here in our lesson. Some of them are very cruel, I know. What you must be thinking, a talking cat, how can it be? But it's true. Cats, in fact, all animals speak their own language. Sometimes humans forget what we have, feelings as well, and we look or we like to let others know how we feel. I, for one, love to talk. So here is telling some human forget that. They forget what they have to do. They only think of themselves. They are very, very selfish. They don't think that animal also have a life. Animal also can feel sad, feel happy, feel tired and feel as we. We have life, we are human. But they also have life, though they are animal. They have true feelings. Now look at the team here. How beautiful sitting in my hand. So lovely. So dear children, this is what we have to love. If you love, they are always with us. They take care, they support us in different ways. According to us, the last question I have asked, how they are different. That is our way, how we feel, how we take care of the pet and how they help us. Each one's likeness, some like cat, some like parrot, some like dogs. So each one's likeness, what we like, that only we say best. Isn't it? What we like, that is best for us. So we cannot make the difference for others. Is each one's likeness and their needs and their way of thinking, how they like. Now here Sprihasha has kept parrot and dog, also cat. Dog ran away, otherwise I could have brought that also and shown you, but I could not show you. So I'm sorry, otherwise all the pet. People are different types, some keep one, some keep many. So did you see the cat and dog, a cat and parrot? So what pets do you have? If you have, well and good. If you don't have and you get chance, please have it and love. And you see others' pets, don't disturb them. Because looking at you, it will feel that a stranger and run. Then you don't hit them and don't disturb them. Anybody's pet is pet. Like you are someone's child and they love you. Like that, pet are also somebody's pet and they love them. Sometimes you see, they love their pet more than their children. They take care of them because they cannot speak. You hear in the house parents saying, the dog cannot speak to you, so take care before they meet. Let me tell you a little about myself. Now cat is saying, let me listen about me. I am a Korat, that's a breed of cat. You know, my ancestors came from Thailand. This parrot is a Korat parrot. It is, I'm sorry, I said parrot. It is a cat from a breed of Thailand. It has come from Thailand. It is a breed of Korat. That's a cat. Sorry children. Is a cat is telling about himself, saying that it is a Korat breed from Thailand. His ancestors are from Thailand. Have you ever been there? He's asking you, have you been to Thailand? I don't have been. I did not go, but I have heard about Thailand. I have heard it's beautiful country, but it has both mountain and beaches. Thailand has both very high mountains and also beaches, she showed. I learned that it has a great history. I have never been there though. So cat is telling, I am originally from Thailand. My ancestors are there. I am a breed of Korat. But I have never been there. I have heard there are mountains and beaches. It's a very beautiful place. But I never got a chance to go there. I was born in a city in India that humans call Delhi. So, the parrot is born in India, in Delhi. We'll see in the next class. Okay, children, any doubt is there, please call on my phone.